Muthenya wa kana kuma kwirikane murutwo wa kirathi gia form 2 thukuru-ini wa airitu wa moi ahahamirwo kimwiri honge itiganite ni ithete na mbere na uthuthuria wacio igiri-ini ria kumenya uria kwahanikire. Umuthi kamiti ya mbunge igii githomo Matongoretio ni mumbunge wa Malava Moses Malulu niicerire nyumba-ini imwe iria kurerikana muiritu ahahamirwo niguo kwenda kumenya kiria kiarire kingi na thutha ucio magia na giikaro na arugamiriri a thukuru uyu.
Would like to call upon Madam Lydia to give us a narration of exactly what happened briefly.
No kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa nyumba cia toro thukuru-ini uyu gutire dalili ciothe onire cia kuonania ati murutwo ucio ni ahamitwo kimwiri ona gutuika arutwo amwe ni megwititwo thukuru-ini ucio niguo kwandikithia ndumiriri.
I was the first to get to that scene. When I got there, this girl who that others claimed was raped was fully dressed. She was in our school track trouser, a navy blue Moi Girls school t-shirt, a fleece jacket, and had these black scarves on the neck.
Mwena-ini wake mumbunge mwamure Wilson Sossion ni onanirie nganja ciake akienda kumenya maundu maria mahanikire muthi ucio mathaa-ini ma utuku kuria boarding mistress atariirie makiria.
When did the inter-house drama end and who exited the outsiders, who of course some of them have been reported in the media as teachers? Were they really teachers?
When I talked to Miss Obando, she confirmed to us that she is the person who walked those trainers out of the compound, the trainers she was with, the drama trainers. I don't know.
Na kumana na kufujo gwa kiama gia aciari hamwe na arutani muthenya wa ira ni minister wa githomo Amina Mohamed aciari ni matanyitwo gwikinya thukuru-ini ucio muthenya wa rucio niguo gucagura arugamiriri eru. Maya mahanikite riri murutani munene wa thukuru wa secondary wa Mosa kaunti-ini ya Kitui akinyite igoti-ini agikwirwo kuhahama kimwiri murutwo wa form 3. Samuel Matuvi Kimanzi akinyire mbere ya mucirithania Mary Ann Murage kuri areganire na thitango icio na acoka kurekererio na bodi ya ciringi 200,000 kana muigana wa ciringi 50,000 mbeca farifari. Ciro cio gathikiririo mweri 3 wa kenda mwaka uyu. Ni uhoro ugumirwo ni Kiriga kinene wa uria murutwo wa form 2 anyitirwo kihinya thukuru-ini wa Moi guku kamiti ya githomo ikiuga no iguthie na mbere na uthuthuria handu-ini ha Kamiti TV kuma thukuru-ini wa Moi. Ritwa riakwa ni Wanjiru wa Njuguna.